Alright, I'm gonna do a little overgloss of the Disney insanity here. Starting with my son's Cars diecast collection. There's another board like this in storage. There's a love bug poster hiding down there. Alright. Vintage 60s pinball game. Here's one of the pin boards. And a Fantasia lobby card from '69. The usual hats, whatever. Big thing of lanyards. He's in a couple pop figures here. Sark and young Moana. Here's a bunch of miscellaneous like little figures and things. Some plastic stuff from different eras. Old 70s Mickey coin bank, some rubber Donald there. Gin or so. Zurg. Old Disneyland, Donald Duck's in Disneyland. Got some collectible plates jammed in here. Figments hanging out. Snow White glass, Alice in Wonderland, snow globe thing. Aristocats mini McDonald's VHS. Another one of those old plates. Oh, what's this? Oh, some Alice in Wonderland earrings. Plastic things. Cocoa plush. I have two more of those upstairs. Cocoa coffee cup. Cocoa container. Goofy little plush dudes. Two-sided purse. It's kind of cool. Old puzzle. There's more stuff. It's like layers and layers of junk that I haven't decided where to put it yet. Old 70s costume. More glasses. Plush. Looks like a hand purse for Nightmare Before Christmas, of course. More Sally stuff. Jack Skellington. Cool lunchbox. Jack Skellington. Homemade Pirates of the Caribbean hat. A bunch of other hats here. Stitch, of course. Stitch. Then there's like things like 70s baby toys. Can't go without those. Then you have like, you know, little framed DVD and VHS tapes here just piled everywhere. This whole thing is, this whole little like shelf is full of VHS, every drawer. I don't know. This is how out of control it is. Like, here's my doubles pins. I have doubles of these pins right there. Those are ready to trade, and here's the pins I have yet to put on the board. It's ridiculous. I have a bunch of junk I haven't even dealt with. Those little charms. Anyway, it's basically a hoard. Oh yeah, we can't forget Rockin' Mickey over here with his Russian hat. Yeah.